Chiel gi josum paro ne tim mabende wuok e riwruogno no bago romo gi jopuonj mag jong'wech kata coaches motelo ne tuke mag Olympics mibiro bagi boma Paris. Romo no bagi mar miyo riwruok matayo tuke Olympics thuolo mar nyiso kenge kata chenro mar riwruok matayo tuke ng'weche pacho kawo nego kawo kaluwore gi kidienje mag jotugo ng'ado tiko mag tuke mag Olympics. Riwruok mar NOC-K ibiro bago piem mag manyo tiko ne jong'wech duto e kor dwe manyien. Romo yore gi jodito riwruok mar NOC-K mar NOC na otalie gi jagoro maduong' Francis Mutuku kaachiel gi jalup jakeno John Ogola.
So can I request Wanakimeto to please read the name? When you are reading is for AK, you are part of AK. Whatever mistakes will happen, separately other only one this. Sometimes we don't answer heroes.
The idea is to meet the coaches and continue supporting them by providing allowances, by providing what the athletes need for their training, such as ensuring that they have their pacemakers, that their gym sessions are paid for, that the additional support of physiotherapists are trained. Secondly, we are also saying we have a performance support team which is available to work with these individual coaches to prepare them.
In the past, we have only been focusing on athletes, but we know that for the athlete to be an athlete, there's so many others that surround them and help them to be where they are. So focusing also not only on athletes, but everybody around them to raise good athletes is a very important.
The coaches have been struggling all through without any support. We like this because if you support the coach, you are empowering the coach, and the coach will empower the athletes.
Kikanya mwatieke chenro maro imore nyakwara